If you haven't started printing direct-to-film yet, what are you waiting for? Maybe the machines were too big or expensive. We get that. Or maybe the desktop unit was too slow or too small. Understandable. Or maybe you're waiting for a true entry-level desktop direct-to-film printer that can handle production. What's up, YouTube? We're here to announce the desktop direct-to-film printer is going to change your life. So for all of you white toner laser using, heat transfer vinyl cutting, sublimation transfer printing, small business out there, the wait is over. Time to venture into direct-to-film is now. Let me know in the comment section why you're still on the fence about DTF. Let's see what this machine's all about. Desktop and entry level doesn't have to necessarily mean small format printing per se. With the Prestige R1, compact meets quality. At true A3 plus sizing, we can create those jumbo, oversized prints to cover all of your 2 and 3X sizings. And with roll-to-roll printing functionality, this machine can run hours of hands-free operation at a surprising speed. We're talking a full-blown automated garment custom printing business at your fingertips. And don't worry if you don't necessarily have a background in custom printing. The Prestige R1 prioritizes ease of use and simplicity in its design. Now, the Prestige R1 produces full-color, vibrant transfers with a single Epson 1080 printhead at about 14 square feet an hour. It's pretty unheard of for a machine of this size and price point. And for those doing the math at home, that comes out to about 60 to 80 full-size, complete transfers per day. Size checks out. Speed checks out. But what really makes this machine ideally suitable for beginners? If the shell of this machine looks a little familiar, you're not mistaken. The R1 not only borrowed its lush exterior from its older, bigger siblings, but it also brought along all those built-in safety features. We're talking about a white ink management system to stir and circulate a well-maintained white ink in the printer. Passive auto cleaning, runs auto head cleans on schedule every 4 hours. Active auto cleaning. During set intervals, as well as during live production, automated printer maintenance will be performed. Head strike sensor to prevent any hardware damage during actual printing. Auto ink alerts so you never miss a beat on the extended runs for those big jobs. Automatic film sensor to pause the action when film runs out. On top of those incredible safety features, this printer includes training. 2 live sessions every week with a live technician answering all your questions. Users are welcome to join as often as preferred to ensure the setup and operation of your R1 is seamless and efficient. If we examine the physical footprint, all those bells and whistles we mentioned comes in a pretty small factor form. Measuring in at about 32 by approximately 12 deep, this machine can fit in the spare bedroom, in the living room, in your one-car garage with your Maserati parked, or the Honda Civic if it's my garage. Now power-wise, it's only going to be pulling about 700 watts, putting this right in the same category as a normal microwave. With this efficiency and flexibility, we can run a small business anywhere. All the maintenance features we just mentioned make caring for your printer a breeze. You got 5 minutes a day? How long do we spend doom scrolling on Instagram or TikTok? 5 minutes is really all it takes to polish that wiper blade, clean the ink around the capping station, clean the ink around the single print head. Plus, all the materials are already included, making it even easier to maintain your asset. Every print starts with the rip, DigiRip to be precise. With every purchase of the Prestige R1, users will receive a full version of my personal favorite rip software for running direct-to-film, DigiRip Pro. Now, in theme with the R1, DigiRip Pro offers a clean, user-friendly interface that's simple to learn. After uploading our artwork, you can send the design to be printed on the machine with custom profiles formulated to work with your ink and your film. Simple as drag and drop, we can easily arrange designs to maximize a gain sheet all at the click of a button. DTF has never been easier, more accessible, or more efficient than the Prestige R1. Stop buying transfers from other people and building up their custom printing business. Invest in yourself. The ROI of in-house production can cover the cost of your equipment in no time. Return on investment should really be considered. How much are we going to profit per piece? How much is each piece going to cost us to produce? Now, we already know how much we're paying for our blank garments, but what about our consumables? We're talking about ink, film, powder. That's where the cost calculator comes in. One of the most useful features in DigiRip Pro is the cost calculator. Here we can bring in the artwork, and the program estimates how much we're spending on all of our consumables. This sort of comprehensive data is great to have when looking to see what our real profit margins are, and we can see this before we even actually print. Look at this full-size graphic, 50 cents. Not only is direct-to-film printing versatile and efficient, it's cost-effective as well. This desktop DTF's too small, it's too slow. You spoke, and they listened. I really feel the Prestige R1 addresses all these cautionary pain points to truly deliver a functional desktop direct-to-film solution that won't leave you wanting more. For you, for all of you out there still on the fence waiting on direct-to-film, the time has come. Our vinyl users, our white toners, our sublimators, get DTFing with the Prestige R1. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this groundbreaking machine that's sure to change live and businesses, or if you'd be interested in a live in-person or virtual demonstration to see your artwork on the R1. That's all, folks. We'll see you on the next one. I think we got it. Woohoo! I like that last one.